Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing how to replace the recoil mechanism on my pressure washer. It is equipped with a Honda GCV160LAO engine, and you might have noticed on my recent pressure washing video that I was having a bit of trouble getting the cord to retract. And to note, there's also some damage where the cord has rubbed through, and that is causing issues as well. That likes to jump out of there, and this would have been better if it had a vertical pull, I think. But let's get to work. Got my 10mm on a ratchet. And there are 3 nuts to remove. And it simply lifts off. I got on the Jungle website and found a replacement. Here's a look at the box and some info. Strong theme, part number, and everything like that. So let's see how this goes. Do a little comparison. The replacement actually feels more heavy duty for whatever reason. Looks to be in the same clock. Or is it? Not exactly. But we'll see if that'll work. It will work. So that just drops on there, on those studs. Take it off one more time. 1, 2, 3 studs. It just sits on there. No issues. Put the 3 nuts back on. I'll snug him with my nut driver. 10mm. And then put some foot-pounds on them. Maybe inch-pounds. Just snug and tight where it's not going to come loose. No need to overdo it. Now I have already winterized this, so and it runs. I know it runs. I'm just going to turn over the engine. That is much better. So this should be much easier to start going forward. I'll need to see if I can find that decal. That'd be cool to have that. But other than that, that's a minor detail. One thing of note before I leave, notice there is a metal ring in there. I don't know if the original had one at one point in time. It doesn't now. And there's a close-up of what happened when the pull rope slipped through and started cutting into the housing. I did oil this one up, and where I could where it would recoil on its own, but it was still binding up where it wanted to slip through. Looks like that has been redesigned a little bit for the better, possibly. I don't know. We shall see. But it was, thankfully it starts on the first pull, so it wasn't a huge ordeal. I just had to bang on it and get it to recoil. Once again, this has been replacing the recoil assembly on the Honda GCV160 engine that's on my pressure washer. Thank you for watching.